Welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. We are at vocabulary development section and our target is vocabulary of HSK level 1. Today is day 5. Let's get a quick review of what we have studied already up till now. Day 1. 我们你们他们这那 Day 2 家爸爸妈妈哥哥弟弟姐姐妹妹男朋友女朋友 Day 3 儿子女儿漂亮老公老婆老板老师认识 Day 4 先生小姐医生医院学生学校学习同学人 And now let's go to today's work. Today is day 5. The first word is 大 That means big. The second word 小 That means small. And if we speak these two words together like 大小 that means big small. That means either big or small. And interestingly 大小 means dimensions. In Chinese language, if we want to say the dimension, then we normally use this word 大小. So 大 means big and 小 means small. Let's go today's word number 3. 小果 小果 means small dog. Actually, it is for dog, but normally to be a bit polite, we use 小果 means dog. Number 4. 小猫 means cat, and because it's written 小 that means small cat. Number 5. 很好 means very good. 好 means good and 很 means very good. So 很好 means very good. Number 6. 不太好 不 means no, 太 means two, 好 means good. So 不太好 means not so good, not too good. Number 7. 有 that means has or have. For example, we say 我有钱 I have money. 有 Alright. Today's word number 8. 没有 means don't have. When we go to China, we often listen these two phrases like 有 or 没有. Specifically, when you are in the market and you're asking some shopkeeper that I want to buy this product, do you have? Then normally you listen either 有 or 没有. Okay, let's move to today's last word, that is I. I means love. For example, if I want to say I love you, 我爱你，我爱你，我爱你, that means I love you. So this is all from today's lecture. Let me remind you what words we have studied today. 大小小狗小猫很好不太好有没有爱 Thank you very much for watching today's video. We'll see you tomorrow. Keep in touch. Learn Chinese with Abdul and please spread this message to others as well. 再见.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.